Belitung University, majoring in management. In this video, I will describe about Cactus plant, which is an English course exam. So, let's watch my video. A cactus plural cacti is any member of the plant family Cactaceae native to the Americas. They are often used as ornamental plants, but some are also crop plants. Cacti are grown for protection of property from wild animals, as well as many other uses. Cactus is a plant that has leaves that looks like needle. We can find it in the land with less water. It has a flower that quickly dies, but the flower is beautiful. Cactus doesn't have a fruit. It has a green body and a sharp leaf. Cacti are unusual and distinctive plants, which are adapted to extremely arid and hot environments, showing a wide range of anatomical and physiological features which conserve water. Their stems have adapted to become photosynthetic and succulent, while the leaves have become the spines for which cacti are well known. Cacti come in a wide range of shape and size. The tallest is Pasicarius springleaf with a maximum recorded height of 19,2 meters, and the smallest is Blossfeldia lilliputiana, only about 1 centimeter in diameter at maturity. Cactus flowers are large, and like the spines and branches arise from areolas. Many cactus species are night-blooming, as they are pollinated by nocturnal insects or small animals, principally moths and bats. Cacti range in size from small and globular to tall and columnar. Cactus are characterized by stems and spiny roots. The leaves are generally very small, completely absent or thorny. The stems are swollen and fleshy, adapted for the accumulation of water. Their stem has a shape that leads rainwater directly to the roots, which are extensive and superficial, to absorb as much water as possible in a large area. In the desert, the plants are very separated from each other. The most characteristic vegetative structure of the Cactaceae are the areolas, specialist areas of the stem in which tend to grow sharp and rigid spines. Some cacti lack thorns, but they have in the areolas hair or sharp beads called glossidia. The areolas develop in the stem from lateral buds and can be said to be very specialist branches. The flowers of the cactus tend to be large and showy, and are isolated instead of grouped in inflorescences. The perianth or corolla is not formed by sepals and petals well differentiated, but by a series of bracts or modified leaves that are gradually transformed into sepals first and finally into striking petals. They have many stamens and inferior ovary welded to the perianth. The fruit is usually fleshy and brightly colored. The body of the plant is formed by the stem, a structure of green color, and that is taken due to the development of the fundamental tissues that prevail. There are three main forms of stem. The first is columnar, cylindrical shape. It can be divided from the base, from the middle, or from the tip, and according to the division, the plant is called bastion, mesoton, or acrothena. The second is cladodium. The stem is flattened and has the shape of a racket. The third is globus. It is almost spherical. The succulent plant presents an areola. That is to say, a vegetal structure that is on the pruning set. The foliar base dilated and expanded in the form of a small tubercle on the ribs. In the upper zone, the flowers are produced, and in the lower zone, the spinolifers meristem. Okay guys, about them, the stem thorny are thick and fleshy, adapted for the accumulation of water. Many have a shaft that conducts rainwater directly to the roots. The roots of the cactus are extensive and superficial to absorb as much water as possible from a large area. And then, the fruit is usually fleshy and brightly colored and is important source of food and drink in many of the areas where that plants grow. Cactus can live at dry place or desert. To survive, cactus has a long roots to find water, big trunk to save water, and leaf which resemble thorns to reduce evaporation. Therefore, cactus can live in a long time without water. Cactus trunk usually colored green, and the flower is colorful. Variation of cactus is from small to big. Cactus can be propagated with seeds. Cactus is easily to be planted. Cactus can be planted in the pots like this, unique shape, attractive color, and the flower are beautiful, make cactus favorite by many people. Okay guys, that's all I can describe about the cactus plant. Hopefully it can increase your understanding of cactus. Apologies for any spelling and words errors. Thank you for watching.